back to my channel. Now, some of you may remember my last video about crystals. Today we're going to explore into that even further. Today we're going to make our very own high ball bounce kit. Isn't that exciting? This is also made out of crystals. Come on, let's open it. Now guys, apart from the kit, all you need is a cup of water. As you can see, I've already done a few myself. This is a football and this is a flower. This is a basketball and this is a spear. So today, this gives us 8 options and it gives us 16 packs to make 16 very cool different shaped balls. I think today we should make a pumpkin. It's this one over here. So first we've got to find the mold, it's over here, and choose our color. I think I'll choose purple and this pale peach color. Okay, now you see this tiny hole here? We're going to put all of our colors in. Hang on, let me just get this out of the way. So this hole. You can do as many colors as you like, but I'd recommend 2 to 3 colors. There's my purple. A little bit more. And a bit more. And guys, this could get a bit messy if you don't be careful. Like it got a tiny bit messy with me. Now, you see this? It's full. So we dip it in this water for 1 minute. So finally, after waiting 1 minute, you take this ball out and leave it here for 3 minutes. After waiting 3 long minutes, my crystal is finally ready. Let's take it out. Ta-da! See how nicely it's formed? Now, let's see how high it'll bounce. Wow, what a bouncy ball! Whoops, I'll pick that up later. So, guys, if you want to try this experiment out, I've left some links down below in which you could buy your very own high ball bounce kit. But if you want to do more fun experiments like this, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye!